In this video, we are unboxing the RLC-523WA 5-megapixel PTZ Wi-Fi camera with person and vehicle detection, showing you what's in the box and how to install and set it up quickly. Inside the box, there's the RLC-523WA camera and other parts that you may need. The RLC-523WA with 2 antennas runs on 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi and is powered by on-camera person and vehicle detection technology, which makes the camera alerts much more accurate. Coming with 360-degree pan and 90-degree tiltability, it is built to give a wider viewing angle and can auto-track the movements of persons and vehicles. Featuring 5-megapixel Super HD resolution, it can capture sharp images and videos. And with the motorized lens capable of 5 times optical zoom, you can zoom in to see even the tiniest details. 4 pieces of infrared LEDs make the camera ideal even at night. It can see from up to 190 feet away, and with 3 pieces of spotlights, the captured images are still in full color. With mic and speaker, it supports two-way audio. Micro SD card slot can hold a micro SD card of up to 256 gigabytes capacity. The RLC-523WA is also packed with the IP66 weatherproof rating for working outdoors even in bad weather, smart home integration for hands-free control, and time-lapse to visualize the passage of time. It also comes with a cable with 3 connectors: the network port, power port, and reset button. Now, power on the RLC-523WA and initially set it up. First, connect your camera to the router's LAN port with a network cable, and then power on your camera with a power adapter. To set up the camera, open the Reolink app, then follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. RLC-523WA is easy and quick to install yourself. Put the mounting template on the wall. Screw the camera base to the wall at the indicated locations. If you're installing the camera on drywall or masonry wall, you may need to drill holes and then install the anchors provided into the indicated locations before screwing the base. For better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places that are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink RLC-523WA PTZ Spotlight camera with person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.